Hello everyone! Today in this video I will be talking about 5 of the most common idioms or phrases we use when we are late for something. So firstly, let's discuss what being late means. So if you have to be at work at 8 a.m. but you get to work by 8:05 or anytime after 8 a.m., you are considered late for work. So this can happen many reasons why. Maybe our alarm did not go off in the morning, so we slept in too late. Or maybe something else happened in the morning, so we could not leave the house on time. Maybe there was a lot of traffic, a lot of cars. Maybe there was a traffic accident that also caused us to take longer to go to work than usual. So, number 1. The most common expression I think that we use for these kind of situations is just the phrase, hold on, I'm running late. So first, hold on means to wait for me. I will take some more time. So you need to wait a couple minutes for me to be ready to leave. And then I'm running late just means that I am later than usual compared with other days. So it has nothing to do with actual running, right? I'm running late just means that I am later than normal for whatever reason. Number 2, catch you later. I gotta go. So catch you later or catch ya later, because this is a very informal phrase, of course. So we use this when another person is trying to talk to us, but we don't have the time to talk with them or to spend time with them. So we have to go somewhere else. We have to be somewhere else. So the polite way to do this is just to tell them, oh, catch you later, I gotta go, or I gotta run. And then they will understand that you are not talking with them because you have something else that you have to do that is more important. Number 3, just in the nick of time. This expression means that we arrived at the destination exactly on time. So if your work starts at 8 a.m. and you walk into the building at 8 a.m., you made it in the nick of time. Number 4, I'm in a time crunch. This means that I have a very short amount of time to complete a task or to do whatever I need to do. So I'm in a time crunch, only a little bit of time. And then number 5, this one is better late than never. So we use this expression just to say that it is better you go wherever you have to go. You arrive at your work or at whatever destination, even if you are a little bit late. It's better to still go a bit late compared to not going at all and just missing the appointment or missing a day of work. This will be much worse than if you arrived just a bit late. So those are my top 5 of the most common expressions that we can use when we are late for something. Of course, there are many more that I did not talk about today, but Google is free. You can search and you will find thousands, hundreds of thousands different idioms that you can use. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Goodbye.